We stick together as one. Always and forever.
It's funny how the walk of life can take you down without a fight. So many years can lay behind regretfully until it's time to realize the moment when you turn around. I'm coming home to breathe again, to start again. I'm coming home from all the places I have been, with nothing but a voice within that calls me home.
But you still love him. He's my brother.
Back in the day, when I was younger, I was so lost and proud. I've gained the world, but it will never compare to what I've earned. In the quiet moment, when the
I realize now that after 1,000 years together as a family, you're the only one who never left me.